Hello, you are very unlikable and have no friends whatsoever. But we have a party planned for you and there's going to be a cake. You can have it if you accept the party escort submission position. Okay, this particular cake is a lie. It stands for everything supernatural. You still can have a cake if you bake your own one by the means of science. Just get some yeast or sodium carbonate, better known as baking soda. And yes, yeast dates back to the Egypts, but baking soda isn't older than about 150 years. Yes, you can make a cake with yeast, but it will take much longer than with baking soda. A few hundred years ago, it was been very special if I could even read. Today, basically everyone can read. I personally got introduced into the theory of relativity even before I went to school. I won't go into details because I want everyone to understand everything, even if I know that not everyone will. But I will do what I can. So let's talk about the principle of equivalence, which is a nice thought. I thought so when I was about 5 years old. Or maybe 4, I don't know. But the thing is, everything in the universe, as far as we know it, is probably moving. Einstein proposed the following. I'll oversimplify it. Let's say I'm falling. Am I really moving down, or is almost everything else moving up? That's very simplified, but that's basically it. There are also many other implications, but let's just go with the moving thingy, not with the part which get rid of the division of room and time and such, right? So, if I'm riding a train and I'm moving through a station on it, I could say the station is the thing that is moving. And I think that's nothing too hard to understand, since the light moves at the same speed in every reference frame. I could very well come to this conclusion. That's also why we don't know at which speed we are actually moving, at which speed our solar system is moving, our galaxy is moving. But that's not the point I'm trying to make. You could also say you aren't walking around and pushing yourself around on Earth with your feet, but you are pushing the earth away from you with your feet, which sounds pretty cool for a 5-year-old boy. No one told me this, but this is something which I sometimes thought about at that age. So, we have two things in here. The real advantage in the field of baking cakes, and obviously there are plenty more. Like in lifespan, like Beethoven just reached the age of 35 years, which was about average in that time. While when you are born today, you have a good chance of reaching the age of 80 years. And of course, the thoughts, which are themselves a delight.
This was a triumph